the funny thing is that my curiosity in science started by chemistry, which is something I really liked in school, and then it started to become more complicated. And the same way probably that when I jumped from one place to the other. So starting with chemistry, then being more into physics, and then landing into biology, and then going back into more physics. So it has been more like that, as kind of jumping and just curiosity, really trying to understand. And the funny thing is how all of those are also connected. When you start to learn chemistry, you see that it's part of the biology, and the physics is also there. They're all kind of glued together into one. So I feel in my case that when I started to learn one, then I felt like rest of the answer was in another one. And then in the end, I then ended more into the physics and the instrumentation, because they were the tool that actually help even other people to discover more into those applications. So what interests me in the current fields of super resolution, it's really being able to detect single molecule. I think it's something amazing. I've done microscopy for a long time now, and when I started, super resolution started to be something, but not as popular as it probably is in the last few years. And it's really mind-blowing, the fact that you can see single molecule and that you're able to see them through a lens, through the microscope, and being able to see them even in live or interacting, which, like I said, is something that wasn't possible a few decades ago. My favorite thing about being a scientist is really being able to, it's curiosity and discovery, being able to have question and being able to find an answer either through different material that can be found, or even by talking to other scientists. It's great. Like, scientific community is actually nice. Like, you can really talk to people, and people are really helping. It's really gathered together, even if each of them have their own field. Everyone is trying to publish their own work. In the end, there's still something that's bringing everyone together to trying to understand life in general, and I mean life as in biology, and understand how things work. So. Okay, what fueled my curiosity now? It's like I mentioned, I'm supporting our customer, and what I do like, it's being able to work on a lot of different projects. It's not always easy when in the same day I need to jump from one topic to a completely different topic, but it's still amazing to be able to actually do that. Beginning of the day talking about one specific application and then jumping to another problem and trying to help them. I think personally I also like problem solving in general, so being able to do that and being as helpful as I can is really great. It's something that I really like, understand. Talking to them, they expose their problem or what they want to do, and being able to discuss with them and trying to end up together to a solution, or to hypothesis or protocol or anything that can lead to potential solution, or sometimes more questions. If I have a superpower, I don't know if that's a superpower, but what would be nice for the scientific community is to be able to have funding for everyone. I think some funding agencies are really funding projects that have the more chance to get result or something which is potentially really useful for society, but there is more little projects that could also be interesting. Science is, it's about sometimes random. You look for something and then you find something different, or you step on something which make big changes. So yeah, that would be great if anyone that wants to do science, anyone that has a project that is viable and interesting, would be able to actually do it and try to get answer to that question.